Okay, today I'm going to show you the tension and the pulley, and this is the original manufacturer pulley and the tensioner. And some customer complain about the pulley is not smoothly around. So I think I tested. Maybe this is because some of the reason. So if you open the pulley like this, you can see that's the orange. So you see two sides. This is one side pulley. This is another side. When you put this inner in, make sure you put in this side. If you put in this side, it's not gonna work. You see, put in, and there's the gap between the pulley and the inner part. If you attach to, like for example, this is the bracket. So you attach in the bracket, you touch the pulley. So I'll try to smooth and a lot of friction. So it doesn't work that way. So make sure you put in the right direction like this. Okay. So you see. So this side attached to the bracket. So because the space is too small, so I recommend you use the washer, either the manufacturer 10mm washer or American 3/8, just a regular washer. You put in to make sure enough space between this part and the bracket. So when you attach in the bracket, catch this, so we have space. You see the space over there, maybe 1 or 2 inches. So when you spin, this part won't touch the bracket. So you see, then now it's very smoothly. For example, this is the bracket, and you put a regular washer and the bolt, something like that. Okay, so you see, when you spin, there's space between this part and the bracket, so this spins smoothly. If you don't have the washer, this bracket will touch this part, and it's very, you see, will increase the friction. That's why the pulley doesn't work. And hope this video works. And okay, this is the example how we install the bearing pulley and the tensioner. Okay, make sure you put the right side over there, and you put one 3/8 washer or 10mm washer back there, and this is the bracket. Just put in. Okay, and as you can see, there's a space. There's a space between bracket and the tensioner. So if we move the pulley tensioner, so it won't touch the bracket. So it looks good now. So after that, put a chair. Okay, put a chair there, tensioner there, and make sure it's tight, so smooth. This part does against the bracket. Should be a space. So let's put washer another side, knock washer, and but nut. So tight the chair and lock it. So, okay, let's look at the pulley tensioner, how it works. Let's locate the pulley. Okay, so right there, so that's the one. Now works pretty good. Hope you enjoy the video.